Today, I'm going to change the game when it comes to affiliate marketing. You've watched many videos all over YouTube about affiliate marketing. How do I create a store that makes me $100,000 a month? How to sell products on Facebook and Google Ads? How to sell this? How to sell that? It is literally endless. The affiliate marketing niches are kind of getting overwhelmed with participants. People sign up for websites like ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon affiliates, Walmart affiliates. Many of these affiliate marketing sites have thousands, if not millions, of affiliate marketers, and they all do the same thing: try to promote a product. As you see, this is one product, high gravity, very good selling product, lip text. And how do people get a lot of sales? Well, one of those ways is articles. If we head on over to medium.com, which is Google's #1 place for articles around the world. And as you can see, let's just go down and see all the articles about this product. If we scroll down, we can see lots and lots of articles. All right, we're going to do it fast. Lots of articles. Even videos, lots of them. Lots of articles. All right, literally unlimited. I can just keep scrolling and scroll. Let's scroll all the way down to the bottom and see if more pop up. Scroll down to the bottom, and as you see, it's starting to rise up again. More articles about this product. All right, this is January's. Still goes. It just keeps going. So instead of trying to write an article, because you're competing with all these people who want to review this product, you're competing with everyone. Videos, everything, articles. It just keeps going nonstop forever. So if you wrote an article on this product, odds is you probably won't get any sales because everyone is doing it. And pretty much the whole entire market of ClickBank, just for one, is going after this product. There's just too much competition, too much. What if I could say, instead of writing an article on sites like this, you can charge the affiliate marketers to write the article? Let's head on over to Fiverr. As you see, this is the niche. I will write an also blog article for you, $175. Here goes a guy, he's charging $40, branded SEO article, $40. Now he sold a minimum of about 386, so we'll round it up to be about 400. This means this guy has made $16,000 writing articles for other people. Makes you think, don't it? This guy will write an article for $135 a pop. Let's scroll down. This lady's charging $45. This guy's charging $120, $65. All right, and some people who just started Swedish, $5 a pop, but he's got almost 400 done already. All right, now you get what I'm saying. Instead of marketing the product and hoping someone signs up so you can get your $61, why not become the article writer itself and charge people $75, $100 a pop to do it? This guy is charging $125. He has 38 of them, so he probably made over $4,000 just by doing this method. There are many websites you can be a freelance writer. Here goes Writers Work. You get paid $25 to $65 an hour to write content in articles, blogs, copywriting, social media posts, whatever. Here goes Writers Access, another website, and once you get on this list, you are making the big bucks. Very well known, very trusted brand around the world once you get into here. Upwork, these specialist writers are charging $35 per hour. You can tell them it's going to take you about 2 or 3 hours, making yourself $90 to $100. This guy charges $75 an hour. $60 an hour, $45 an hour to write material. So instead of trying to market this and trying to build thousands of people on your email list, think outside the box. See, in the California gold rush, the people who made the money were the gold rush stores. The gold mining stores made the money, not the people actually panning the gold. Everyone wanted to come to California to pan for gold to strike it rich. Many of them failed. Many of them left out poorer than they did before they started. But the stores selling the equipment is the ones that made off with the big bucks. Stop trying to fight for and compete with millions and millions of affiliate marketers trying to sell a product, making YouTube videos on a product, because there's hundreds of thousands of other YouTubers who are doing the exact same thing. Instead, target the affiliate marketers, just like the internet gurus. One of the internet gurus by the name of Lopez, first name Ty, his marketing career was based on marketing to would-be affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketers need certain tools. They need the websites, they need articles, they need blogs, they need emails, they need a lot of content. Some of them need eBooks. They need a lot of content. A lot of people just don't want to sit there and write all this material. They want to do it fast. So they hire people to do it for them. So for instance, I pay this guy $40. He writes me an article. I take the article, pop it over here on this website, and hope someone reads it, and hope I get an affiliate commission. As you see, the competition is deep. As you see from the bar, I'm all the way down here just on this one product. When they're done with that product, they move to the next one, and then they move to the next one, then they move to the next one, and it keeps going down over and over and over. All products, with people needing people to write articles. Here's the program, ladies and gentlemen. Is you're going to be able to design, create articles, ebooks, white papers, essays, blogs, anything in minutes. The computer will design you copyright-friendly content that you can literally resell. You have commercial license. It costs you $29. That's it. $29, and you have it for a lifetime. There is no monthly fees like Designer or many of those other programs. You pay one-time fee, and now you can create content and sell it to the affiliate marketers. Sell it to everyone. Now, there are millions, if not 100 million, 200 million people around the world trying to do affiliate marketing. There's your customers. If you don't want to search for affiliate marketing, hop on places like Fiverr, Writer's Work, Upwork, Writer's Access, Freelancer.com, and you can become the writer starting at $25 per hour. I'll put a link below if you want to check out the Scribble program. This is one of the most unique studio creators in the world. This is the #1 ebook maker. You don't have to make a full book. You can write an article, white paper, blog, social media posts. It is literally unlimited. 60-second creation software. 60 seconds. The AI intelligence will put together things for you, and you can resell them. You can create an ebooks by picking a template, add your instant content. Instant content. All right, and next one is customize and publish. Generate. That's all you're going to do. You're going to hit generate, and then you are done. The fastest and easiest all-in-one software. You can create ebooks like this, and then you can add your affiliate links inside your ebooks and give away your ebooks in your email capture pages or lead opt-in pages. There is so much you guys can do just using the software. So whether you want to use it for affiliate marketing or you want to market to affiliate marketers, This is highly recommended. Right now, as you see, the coupon code is new 2020. You get $37 off. And the price of this product is only $29 right now. So grab it while you can. This is the #1 publishing tool there is. You can't afford to spend $250 to $650 hiring a freelance writer. This system allows you to become the freelance writer extremely fast. And now you can market to all the would-be marketers of the world trying to write articles. Anyway, that is it for today. Definitely check out the link in the description. Trust me, you're going to thank me for this one. Peace.